Guys, T3 Ultimate Gamer, like, subscribe, thumbs up. Sorry I haven't been making that many videos. I'm taking a break. As you know, my birthday is tomorrow. But anyways, guys, today is April 17th, tomorrow is April 18th, and that will be my birthday. So anyways, guys, like, subscribe, thumbs up, and I ain't gonna be talking a lot in this video. So see you guys next time.
Man, it's nice to lay down and relax after a long day of working. Hey, Chef Pee-Pee, what do you want, Bowser? I just laid down. Well, I need to talk to you. Okay, Bowser, what do you want to talk about? Well, what did you do today? Did you do anything different? No.
Sorry guys, I forgot to say we're watching Jeffy. So yeah. Yeah, like, subscribe, thumbs up, and leave something down in the comments, cause yeah, I guess.
I just cooked and cleaned like I do every day. That's nice. Well, I just wanted to let you know that I installed cameras all around the house to keep my eye on you. Wait, what? What did you do that for, Bowser? To keep my eye on you, you idiot. And I think we should watch today's footage to see what you did. Watch it with me. Hey, Chef Pee-Pee! What, Bowser? When's my food gonna be ready? Well, I'm cooking it right now. It should be ready soon. Well, if it's not ready in 5 minutes, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Oh, I can't stand Bowser. He's always yelling at me, wanting me to do stuff. Oh, you want food, Bowser? You want it so bad? Yeah, that'll teach him. Taste my spit. I hate doing dishes. I don't want to do this shit anymore. Chef Pee-Pee! What you want, nigga? I'm really thirsty. Can you give me a glass of water before I go to bed? Is your water bed wetter? What? Chef Pee-Pee! Take that pussy! Chef Pee-Pee! Oh, yeah. Get it all on, Pee-Pee. I hope you like the taste of pubes, Bowser. I haven't bathed in weeks.
Oh, sorry guys,
You see what you did, Chef Pee-Pee?
my phone was
Look,
glitching.
Bowser, I can explain. I want you to pee in my food, not spit in it. Wait, what? Look, that was unacceptable. Now I gotta cut your pay. Wait, I only make $5 a month. Now it's $2.50. So sit right there and think about what you did. Man, I hate my life. I wish I could just disappear and never come back. What you want, nigga? I can't sleep. Can we play a game? Play a game? I'm just supposed to be asleep right now, Junior. Well, I can't sleep. I really want to play a game. Like, why don't we play hide and seek together? Hide and seek? What am I, 5? Well, come on, Chef Pee-Pee. I'll let you hide first. Hide first? Yeah, I'll let you hide. You go try to find a really hard hiding spot where I can never find you. Never find me? Yeah, a really hard hiding spot. Oh, I like this. Okay, Junior, we can play hide and seek. All right, I'll start counting. What number do you want me to count to? 100. Okay. 1,000. 100,000? Mm-hmm. I don't think I can count that high. Well, you better try, Junior, or you're never gonna find me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where should I hide? I don't want anybody to ever find me. The attic. Nobody ever goes up there. That's the perfect hiding spot. Okay, I'm in the attic. Man, this is actually pretty nice. It's quiet up here. I don't have to worry about anybody bothering me, or wanting to cook or clean, or even Bowser wanting me to do any other stuff. And you would never find me. Now I can just lay back and relax. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 100,000. Ready or not, Chef Pee-Pee, here I come. Okay, where would Chef Pee-Pee hide? Well, he's a chef, so he would obviously hide in the oven. He'd obviously hide in the microwave. No, he'd obviously hide in the cabinet. Where's Chef Pee-Pee hiding at? In the trash can? No. In the pantry? No. In the refrigerator? No. Huh? Where's Chef Pee-Pee at? Chef Pee-Pee? Chef Pee-Pee? Huh? Oh my God! They actually can't find Chef Pee Pee?
No, it's us, dude.
What's up, Junebug?
What are you guys doing here? It's really late.
Oh, me and my parents got in a big fight because they caught me and Ken boinking, so we figured we'd just come over here till things cool down.
Oh, what about you, Joseph?
Oh, dude, I usually just sleep in your bushes.
My bushes. Why don't you sleep at your house?
Oh, dude, I locked myself out. The rats have taken over.
Oh, well, I kind of need you guys' help. So can you hide?
Yeah.
Dude? So what do you need help with, dude?
Yeah, Junior. Do you need somebody to help you practice making out? Because I'm really good. You can just ask Ken here. I do full tongue. I'm like a snake.
No, I don't need help with that. I need help finding Chef Pee Pee.
Oh, is he missing?
Kinda. I mean, we're playing hide and seek, and I can't find him.
Well, have you looked everywhere?
Yeah, the kitchen.
So you basically just looked in the kitchen.
Well, that's where Chef Pee Pee's always at, is the kitchen, so I only looked in the kitchen. Stop bothering me.
Well, maybe he could be hiding somewhere else.
Like where? Like the moon?
No.
Oh, well, I don't know where he's at.
Maybe he ran away, dude.
You think he ran away? Did Chef Pee Pee really run away?
Possible.
Guys, he's a grown man, not a puppy. That wouldn't be running away. That's just called leaving.
Oh, well, I give up, Chef Pee Pee. If you're hiding, come out. I give up. He's not coming out, guys. I don't know where he's at.
Ooh, I have an idea.
What?
Why don't we just try to get your dog to find him?
Cody, are you stupid? How's my dog gonna find him? I can't find him. How's my dog gonna find him?
Well, no, we could just give your dog some of Chef Pee Pee's clothing, and then he could smell it and use that scent of Pee Pee.
Like a police dog.
Yeah.
Well,
Does your dog know how to do that, though, dude?
I don't know. Let me see. Choppy! Choppy! Who's a good boy? Okay, all I need now is a piece of Chef Pee Pee's clothing.
Oh, I got you covered there, Junior. Boom.
What is that?
That is Chef Pee Pee's underwear.
How'd you get Chef Pee Pee's underwear?
Oh, I have a personal collection. That's like a trophy, and he was sweating a lot in those, let me tell you.
Oh, okay. Well, all right, Choppy. Smell the underwear. Do you know where Chef Pee Pee is?
There.
He's looking at the ceiling. You stupid dog. He's not on the ceiling.
What an idiot dog.
Chef Pee Pee's not Spider-Man. He can't be on the ceiling. Get out of here. Oh, stupid dog. It didn't work. Well, Cody, your stupid dog idea didn't work.
Well, Junior, it's your dog. It's not my fault he's an idiot.
Hey, you don't call my dog an idiot. I don't come to your house and call your mom fat.
Yes, you do, Junior. You do that all the time.
I know, but that's because she is. Yeah.
Junior, your dog is an idiot. He can't even perform simple tasks.
He can perform simple tasks. He can lick peanut butter off anything you put it on.
Anything?
Yeah, like literally anything. Like if you put peanut butter on a spoon, he'll lick it off for hours.
Really?
Yeah, this one time I put peanut butter on my hand and he kept licking it over and over and over again.
Yeah. Actually, you know what, Junior? I feel really bad for calling your dog an idiot. I think I'm gonna go apologize.
Yeah, you should go apologize to him right now.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do.
Yeah, go do it.
Come on, Ken.
I don't call my dog an idiot. So, Joseph, what do I do about Chef Pee Pee? I don't know where he's at.
I don't know, dude.
Junior, where is your peanut butter?
Oh, are you making a sandwich?
Yeah. You could say that for your dog. Oh, for me, really. Actually, it's for the both of us. Yeah.
Oh, well, the peanut butter should be in the pantry.
Pantry. Got it.
I'm really afraid that Chef Pee Pee left forever, and I really want to find him.
Well, why don't you file a missing purchase report with the police? We can call them right now, dude.
With the police? I don't know. I mean, that's getting a little too serious. I mean, all we were doing was playing hide and seek.
Junior, so the peanut butter was not in the pantry. Is there anywhere else it could be?
Not in the pantry. It could be in the refrigerator.
Refrigerator. All right, thank you.
Like if I call the cops and Chef Pee Pee's like hiding like behind the couch or something, I'm gonna get in trouble, right?
I mean, he should have came out by now. Dude, call the police.
Yeah, you're right, Joseph. I'm gonna call the police. Okay. Hello?
Yeah, hey, you called to file a missing persons report?
Yeah, my personal chef is missing.
Oh, boo-hoo. Poor you. Oh, you gotta cook for yourself now. What, you need help finding your maid, too?
Well, he kind of was a maid, too.
Oh, wow, what a loss. Oh, who's gonna clean for you and cook for you? Oh, that's so sad.
Well, he's also my best friend.
All right, fine.
Come on in.
All right, kid, tell me what happened.
All right, so me and my personal chef were playing hide and seek, and I can't find him.
You motherfucker, you wasted police resources. 911 for serious emergency.
Stop it!
Sorry, all right? I just get so mad when you waste my time like that.
Well, I've been playing hide and seek with Chef Pee Pee, and I can't find him, and I already told him I'd give up, and he hasn't came out.
Well, get good, scrub. I'm a hide-and-seek master. I find bodies all the time. Dead ones. You might as well call me Officer Paul, because I'm seeing dead bodies all the time.
Well, do you think you can help us find him?
No, it's not my fault that you suck at hide and seek.
Please, you're a police officer. You're supposed to help. Can you help us find Chef Pee Pee, please?
Alright, fine. Let me show you how a pro plays hide and seek.
Do you know where he's at?
I get the feeling he's around here somewhere.
But this is the front door.
Let's take a look here. Uh-huh.
But that's outside.
Yeah. Yes.
What? Hey, get back here! Huh? Well, Joseph, the cop didn't help.
I'm sorry, dude. I don't know what to say.
Where's Chef Pee Pee at? We're never gonna find him.
Oh, dude, what if he's dead?
Don't say that. Don't you say Chef Pee Pee's dead?
I'm sorry, dude, but it's a possibility. People die every day, Junior.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna ask my dad where he's at. Maybe my dad knows.
Okay.
Dad!
What do you want, Junior?
Have you seen Chef Pee Pee anywhere?
Yeah, the last time I seen him, he wasn't peeing in
How long ago was that?
Oh, it was a few hours ago. He was laying on the couch.
Oh, well, me and Chef Pee Pee are playing hide and seek, and I can't find him.
Wait, he's hiding?
Yeah.
From me? Oh, there's no way. Look, Junior, I hid cameras all around the house, so he can't hide.
Well, you did?
Yeah, so let's check the cameras.
Okay.
Come back here, dog. Lick the peanut butter.
Junior, what is this stupid friend doing to our dog?
I don't know. Check another camera.
Outside camera. I guess I gotta sleep in the bushes. Ow. Oh, so prickly.
Wait, Junior, why is your friend trying to sleep in our bushes?
I don't know. He doesn't really have a house, but check another camera.
Alright, I'm gonna check the upstairs camera.
Junior's never gonna find me. I'm gonna hide in the attic.
Aha! He's in the attic.
In the attic. Okay, I'm gonna get it.
Alright, go get him, son.
Oh, man, that was a relaxing nap. Oh, I gotta pee really bad. But I can't go downstairs because I don't want anybody to find me. I'm not ready to go back to my ordinary life. Where can I pee? Ooh, maybe I can go and pee over here.
I can't believe Chef Pee Pee was hiding in the attic. Chef Pee Pee, are you okay?
What you want, nigga?
Well, Chef Pee Pee, I found you. Tag, you're it. All right, I'm gonna go hide. It's time for you to count.
One.
And like, subscribe, and have a great day. And celebrate all the time. Not really, but see you guys next time. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Don't forget it's my birthday coming up tomorrow. See you guys next time. Peace.